What an bad weather day. Let's get food. Hi, I need pizza.
Oh yeah, I have one pizza and then it will sold.
Thanks. I'll eat pizza later at home and feeding my kids there in highway. Wrong side. Got back in home now. Let's check. Just a view. I have to wait my mom until he's home. Dang, I got tornado warning. Tornado will expand after 215 mph. Holy. Oh yeah, I'm fucked coke. Let's check out. Incoming. Oh no, I think my mom house gonna be slapped. Holy. It manually missed my mom's house. I think tornado is away now. Is he EF4? Holy EF5. Let's check the house. The window broke down. "10% tornado destroy my house."